My name is Dan Tyre from
My name,
HubSpot.
my name's Josh Paul from Pipeline Ops.
I'm coming to you from the Cambridge HubSpot headquarters atrium.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You've been fooling me all day.
No. I learned how to do the video things for Zoom, so now I can tell anybody I'm anywhere in the world. It's going to be awesome. And we've got a Phoenix Hub coming up, don't we?
The first ever virtual Phoenix HubSpot user group.
Ooh, this is going to be fun. We don't know how this is going to go. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. I'm super pumped to spend like 30 minutes to kick it off, right? I'm going to talk about positioning your company in the new world order. A little bit about how we're seeing companies like survive, adapt, and grow in the new world order. And we're going to spend 30 minutes with HubSpot statistics, HubSpot information, and what we're telling our partners and our customers the best way, right, to manage through this process. And then what are you going to talk about, Josh?
All right. So, we have a no fluff policy at the Phoenix Hub. We need actionable takeaways that people can put into place right away. So we're going to go over 9 ways to set up your remote sales team for success using the HubSpot platform and the HubSpot tool set. Things that you can put into place this week at your company to have cleaner data, more accountable salespeople, and more efficient salespeople to turn leads into revenue.
It's unbelievable. That's always fun. I like the way you make people do stuff, right? It's very, very actionable. You made me build a bot in 2019, which is the only time I've done it, but it was super fun. And now I tell everybody, it's on my bio. I've built a bot before. Josh made me. All right, so you don't have to sit in the 101. You don't have to sit in traffic on the 51. What's the date and time again, Josh?
All right, Cinco de Mayo, May 5th at 3 p.m. You can register virtually. You can attend virtually.
Yeah, you got to be from Arizona. If you're not from Arizona, because we're going to make you show your ID, right? I don't know if you have to be over 18 years old, but you got to be from Arizona. We don't want any of these carpetbaggers from New York City coming and hanging out in our virtual hub. Well, maybe we do. I don't know. We'll play it by ear.
The more the merrier.
Okay, I like that. And if we've got extra time, we're going to do a bonus section. We're not sure if you're going to be bored or sick of us after 60 minutes, but we may do a bonus section on video prospecting and how to use video to generate more business. It's one of the roles that I teach partners and customers at HubSpot. We're going to actually do it. I'm going to take a page out of the Josh Paul playbook, and I'm going to actually have you download some technology and actually do it if we have time. But what are the dates and times one more time, Josh?
All right, May 5th, 3 p.m. It's going to be interactive. You're going to have an opportunity to network and meet in small groups, as well as it's going to be that workshop style where you're going to be able to take action while we're in this virtual hug meeting together.
That is awesome. All right. Thank you very much for being the coordinator of all this. This is going to be awesome. This should be the best hug group because we have hundreds of people cycle in and out, but we can never get it exactly right now. There's no excuses. You got 2 weeks. Register and we'll have a blast.